All right, so remember, we're looking at proportions, and proportions are the size of one object in relationship to the other. So the size of your car is correct in the relationship to a truck. So for instance, if we draw a taxi, that is the right size in relationship to a semi-truck. Everything makes sense based on the size of one thing compared to another thing. If the taxi was that big and a semi-truck was this big, this car would be way too big for the size of this truck. That is how I explain proportions. Now remember, we're trying to do that with the face. So it's how big one thing on the face is in relationship to the other. So we do a circle for the brain, we do the chin, and we do the sides. The eyes go halfway in between. The distance from here to here should be the distance between there to there. The nose should be halfway down from that. The distance from here to here should be the same distance from here to here. And then the mouth goes halfway down from there. The ears go from the eyes to the nose, and the hairline is about halfway up. So this is where we put everything, but now we have to look at the shapes and the sizes of each thing. So the eyes fit 4 eyes across. There's one eye in the middle, one eye on each side, and then about a half of an eye over here. Remember that the eye is the shape of a football. Easiest way to draw that is to draw a circle in the middle and then a triangle that connects. The nose comes straight down the middle and should be about the width, if not a little bit wider, than the eyes. Right in the middle we have the circle for the point of the nose, and then we have the 2 circles for the nostril. If we do another small space inside, we can connect that, and that connects the bridge of the nose. Remember, we erase the tops of our circles and create nostrils from there. Now some people you can really see this bridge, some people you can't. You can notice that this is probably as wide as the nose should be. Some people's nose may be more like this wide. Okay? Now the mouth goes halfway down here and is probably as wide as the space between the 2 colored parts of the eyes. Remember, it makes the shape of an M and a little stretched out M on the bottom, and then a curve there. Now the eyebrows are the only thing that don't really help with fractions, but they go probably 1 eye above the eye, a flat line and a curved line down to the ear. The ear is half of a heart, and the hairline is going to go across, down with the eyebrows, and then cutting over to the ears. Now if the person was shaved really close, their hairline would be like so, but we know we can add hair of any size on top of that. We're going to round out the bottom of the chin, give it a jawline a little bit, and you can see the basic head of a person. But remember, everything has rules. I like to think of the face as 1/2. So halfway down is where the eyes go, halfway down from that is where the nose goes, halfway down from that is where the mouth goes. The eyes are how we divide the face. We put the eye in the middle, and then we have to have an eye on both sides and then space between the eyes and the ears. The nose goes down from the corners of the eyes. The mouth goes down from the corners of the color of the eyes. So remember, everything lines up in a particular way, which is how we figure out where the face goes. And the ears go from eyes, maybe close to the eyebrows, down to the nose. Now for the neck, just since we're here, we're going to come out just past the ears and down. And we have a pretty good looking face. Thank you.